Imagine a situation where law enforcement approaches you, perhaps in a public place or even at your home, and starts asking questions. It can be a little unnerving, and it is natural to wonder what you should or should not say. Knowing your rights in these moments is incredibly empowering and can make a big difference in how events unfold. When you are questioned as a suspect, you have two fundamental constitutional rights: the right to remain silent and the right to an attorney. These are often referred to as your Miranda rights, and they apply the moment you are in custody and being interrogated. It is crucial to understand that these rights are not just suggestions, but powerful protections designed to safeguard you. The core reason behind these rights is to prevent self-incrimination, which means being forced to testify against yourself. The Fifth Amendment to the United States Constitution protects you from being compelled to provide evidence that could lead to your own conviction. This right ensures that the burden of proof remains on the prosecution, and you cannot be coerced into making statements that could harm your case. The Sixth Amendment guarantees your right to legal counsel, ensuring fair process. Exercising these rights is straightforward but requires clear communication. If you are questioned by the police and believe you are a suspect, calmly and clearly state that you wish to remain silent and that you would like to speak with an attorney. Do not just stop talking, you must verbally invoke these rights. Once you have done so, law enforcement is generally required to stop questioning you until your lawyer is present. Remember, you do not have to explain why you are invoking your rights. It is important to know that these rights can be triggered even before a formal arrest, particularly if the questioning environment feels like a custodial interrogation, meaning a reasonable person would not feel free to leave. This is a subtle but important distinction. Many people mistakenly believe they only have these rights once handcuffs are on, but the spirit of the law applies to any situation where your freedom is significantly curtailed, and the police are trying to elicit incriminating statements. Understanding and asserting your right to remain silent and your right to an attorney are your strongest tools when interacting with law enforcement as a suspect. They help ensure that any future legal proceedings are fair, and that you have the opportunity to make informed decisions with professional legal guidance. Being aware of these protections allows you to navigate potentially stressful situations with confidence and safeguard your best interests.